This is the closest place to a home for this foundling. For presidential bet Grace Poe, it's Lumban, Laguna, the hometown of her husband, Nilya Manzares. Laguna, home to some 1.7 million voters, is the fourth most vote-rich province. It's no wonder why Poe has been here twice in just 2 weeks. In the town of Lumban, Poe visits the ancestral home of the Nilya Manzareses, her husband's family. It's the first time her in-laws, Teddy and Carol Manzares, join her in her rallies.
Pero nakakabit din sa aking puso ang mga taga-Laguna sapagkat bagamat hindi ako dito ipinanganak, ako naman po ay nabihag ng isang taga-Laguna. Natiga rito sa Lumban, si Teodoro Vera Manzares, ang tawag nila ay Neil. Andito po ang kanyang ama na si Dr. Teddy Manzares.
Poe is all praises for her in-laws. She tells the crowd they did not grow up with a comfortable life. Despite issues against her family's citizenship, she tells her husband's townmates, Neil is a Filipino with values.
Iba pa rin ang pakiramdam na umuwi ka sa bayan ng iyong pamilya. Ang aking asawa ay Pilipinong-Pilipino. Ang aking asawa ay kamukha ng maraming tiga rito sa Lumban. Ang aking asawa ay gwapo. Siyempre, sino pa ba magsasabi nun kundi yung kanyang kabiyak? Pero totoo naman. Pero hindi lamang sa gwapo niya ako nabihag. Siya ay napaka-bait, malambing, at masipag. Hindi umaasa kung kailangan magbanat ng buto.
Even her husband's status as a dual citizen of the United States and the Philippines is being used against her. This time, she visits dismissed Governor E.R. Ejercito, a known ally of Vice President Jejomar Binay. Ejercito is also the nephew of Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada, who recently endorsed Poe. But the senator downplays the meeting, saying it is just a normal part of their provincial campaigns.
Ano lang ito, courtesy call, pag pupunta naman kami sa isang probinsya, dinadaanan namin kung tatanggapin kami ng lokal na pamahalaan. Matagal na kami magkakilala pero alam mo naman ibang partido nila.
Poe's visit to Laguna comes at a time when she regains the lead in Pulse Asia surveys. When Fernando Poe Jr. ran in 2004, he won here by a large margin against then-President Gloria Arroyo. Despite allegations she cheated. The province once again proved its loyalty to the king when Poe emerged as the top senator in the province in 2013. As they say, home is where the heart is. Camila Lemia, Rappler, Laguna.